love in the hearts of all of Anna.
Work it out.
It's the Binghistra. I am Kai Wakeling. Demonstration and protest in brother against brother, juvenile delinquents, humans against child, men are building rockets, going to outer space, others building implements to wipe out the human race. Well, I don't know what the world is coming to. I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. Say I don't know what the world is coming to. And I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, hey. Really don't know. I said I really don't know. Really don't know. Because we work so hard at daytime, our future goals. Till the day we get at daytime, we'll leave our pockets in our bowl. Well, I don't know what the world is coming to. And I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. I don't know what the world is coming to. And I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. I don't know what the world is coming to. Really, not truly, I will hear you say, I don't know. I don't know what the world is coming to. And I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. Because it's demonstration and protest in brother against brother, juvenile delinquents, turning mother against child. Then are building rockets, they say they're going to outer space, and artificial intelligence could wipe out the human race. Well, I don't know what the world is coming to. Say I don't know what in the world we're gonna do. What in the world we're gonna do?
the world is coming to. I don't know what in the world we're gonna do.
Infinite love.
Alright, yeah.